Hello guys, you're welcome to this part of the video. I just want to use a few minutes to show you how to make payment for your certificate. So I just dropped the link to your payments in the class for different countries. So I'm going to use the payment link for Nigeria and then that of Ghana to make this sample video on how to proceed with your payment. So let's start with that of Nigeria. So once you click on the link, it brings you to this page. You click on the payment link, it brings you to this page. All you have to do is to fill this form and then proceed with your payment. For example, the first name, I'm going to fill it here. Then I'll fill up this one and then put in a valid email address. Please make sure the email address you're putting here is something we can reach you on, because this is what we use to confirm your payment and then send you back a confirmation email that we have seen your money. So I'll just put this email here. Okay, then the next thing, we want to put our phone number. Very important, very important. So I'll just type this here, and then once you're done filling out this simple form, you click on pay. Once you click on pay, it will bring up this page for you. The actual money you're paying is what you're seeing here, with a little service charge. In this case, you can just see just a little money. So this is what you are paying. So just fill up your card details here. Put your card number and then fill up these details, and then you just click on pay, and the money will be deducted from your account and will get and then you send your proof of payment to us. Of course, we can see it via the email you use. Then if you don't want to use your card to pay, there are several options below you can use. You see this option, pay with USSD. So once you click this option, it's going to bring up a USSD, a short code for you to use. You're going to click on this place, you select your bank. If you're using a Access Bank, for example, you click on it, and then it will generate this code. Once it generates this code, go ahead and dial this code. The exact money you will pay is there already, and then you can proceed with your payment, or you can use any other payment method for this process. Then for Ghana students, and of course all Africa students, this will work for you. So the same thing, you fill up your name here, fill up your name, and then you come to the email address, you fill it up, and then your phone number, you put a valid phone number. Very important. And then the amount to pay is already there, so you don't have to, you can't even edit it. Then you proceed, you click on pay to proceed, and then it will bring up this page. Now for Ghana student too, you have a small service charge, and then you choose which network to use for your payment. So if you click on this option, it brings up all the network available in your country: MTN, Airtel and Vodafone. If you want to use a different payment method, you can pay with your card or pay with barter. So if you're in Uganda, you also see the payment method available to you down here, or the network you can pay through which you can pay in your country. So this is just a simple process. Just follow it, and then you'll be able to make payment. So as soon as you're done, you click on pay, and then we are going to receive the funds. So thank you very much guys, and I hope to see you on the other side of the class when things will actually get more serious. Thank you.